All right, what's up everybody? I got a Toyota Sienna right here and it's time to change out the wiper blades. They're not working as they should. They're pretty old, so we're gonna get them switched out. Brand new, you're gonna save lots of money. Don't have the dealer do this for you. It's a super easy DIY job, so let me show you how I'm doing. All right, so let's take a look here and we'll get started. We've got the old wiper blades and the rubber is kind of deteriorated a little bit, leaving some streaks, and that's a good sign that it's time to replace these. Now, I'm gonna show you how to take these off. There's a little trick to it, so hang with me. Here are the new ones, brand new. You wanna make sure they obviously match. And you can check your owner's manual or just jump online. I'll put a link down in the description below for some websites that can show you easily how to look up your make and model to make sure you order the right ones. But I order mine online, they're super cheap and they're here like in a day or two. In terms of taking it off, you can see here how that works. There's a little piece of black plastic that pops up on the windshield wiper, and then you're gonna slowly just kind of unhook. There's a little metal hook and it just detaches. I'll show you a better look here. There's a kind of what it looks like, the old one-handed operation, but you slide up this black piece of plastic, and of course, when you slide that out, there's a metal hook. That's pressure. There's like a spring, it's spring loaded, so you don't want that to rest on the glass. You could damage your windshield. So I like to pull that up in the upright position. Now, as far as installation of the new one, we'll get that out of the package and look at that, again, that black piece of plastic that kind of folds up. And we're gonna take the metal hook, as you can see here, and we're gonna snap it into place all the way. And if it doesn't snap into place all the way, that means your hook is not, get a better look here. So that hook needs to be kind of all the way in, if that makes sense. You should feel pretty good about it being locked into place once it's indeed locked into place. And then you take the black plastic cap and snap it, and then take off the windshield wiper guard, and that's all there is to it. We'll do the same thing with the next one, and voila, good to go. You save huge money. I never let the dealer do this.